Alright, so I got this Halo75 from Nuphy, which is a mechanical keyboard. It came in this box. It looks very colorful, very pretty, and here's a nice little design on the back. This is what it looked like inside. Comes packaged with some plastic covers, some cute stickers, which I'm not going to use because they're not really my style. But taking out this keyboard, this is what it looks like while still in the plastic cover, and this is going to look a little bit different right here. Pretty clean outside of the plastic, and I like the color and really like the overall aesthetic of the keyboard, and it is heavy. It definitely has some weight to it. And here are some switches which you can replace if you wanted to play around with the color scheme. I'm happy with the color so far, so I'm not going to do it, but I might at some point. And now if you wanted to backlit it, you could do it, and it looks really clean. I really enjoy it, especially when we're working at night, and so far I really like it. So I'm going to keep using this for the next few months, as long as I want, and I've been using it for about a week at least, and I really like it. I'm getting used to the feel of the keyboard, the keystrokes, etc. And I'll post another update in about a month and in 3 months and see how I like it. But so far, so good.